Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And as you can see front of you, there is a very special car today with us, and this is a Hot Wheels Premium Pop Culture series. Recently came to India, and we have hands on it. This one I got from Amazon for around 549 rupees, the same price that it is selling for, and the OG price I got. So I was very lucky at the time because. When they listed it, I just saw it and I added it to my cart. So luckily I got it in the same price. But now if I go and see there, it's like selling for the double and triple price on Amazon. So if you get for it like the original price, then it's good. Until it's like doubling the price for premium car, it's not worth it, guys. I think so. If you see the Pack-in Pacer and all the cars from the pop culture series, so they also like selling for very less amount now. If you see like they come for like 549 rupees, then the price increases to 1000 and all. But now if you see their prices around 297 something, 255 on Amazon. So if you want to get this car, like I must say, like you should wait for some time, then you might get it for less price. But on Amazon, I think this one will not reduce because this is a very high demanding car now, and all the collectors want this because this is the collaboration with Barbie, and this one is the Barbie 65 Corvette C8R, metal on metal real riders. So we'll see it on a closer look. Let me zoom in for you guys. Yeah. As you can see, first of all we'll start with the card art, and you can see there is a little Barbie over here, and this is from our Hot Wheels Premium series, and the card art is very awesome. I'm going to keep it carded only. I think I uncarded this one only, the Pack-in Pacer from my last pop culture series. We are going to collect all the cars from the series also, but let's see. I'm going to wait for some time until the price gets down, or I found in the original price 549 rupees on any local store or somewhere. I will get all the cars from there itself. But I wanted to get my hands on this, and it's a very beautiful looking car. If you see the neon pink color and the neon green color over here, it's looking fabulous. Let me zoom in for you guys a little bit so you can see it from the packaging inside itself. See the tail light, guys, it's very detailed, and the livery also. If you see the Barbie 15 Hot Wheels written, the Barbie logo here, small logo, and the neon tires. Oh my god, this looks awesome. You see the tires are made of rubber only. And coming to the front, you can see, I think these are the plastic inserts or the painted, I'm not sure, but the front also looks very nice. There is a detailing on the grill and all. Now coming to the top, you can see the Barbie logo over here also, and Corvette written over there, and a nice looking Barbie logo on the hood. If you clearly see, you can see Barbie over here. You can imagine like this is the hair and this is the body, and they have, the color choice of them is very nice, very good. I first saw like there is some cartoon over here with the hair and body, but there is just a part of the paint job, guys. But if you see from here, you can see it's like a girl with the hair and a body, and this is all over goes to here, and it's like a body. So this looks nice. Now coming to the this part, the fin is very good, the spoiler is good, the engine detailing is also there a little bit here on the back. I like this color, the paint job is too good, man. The neon pink and the neon tires, the accent is going very good. Coming to the base, it's written Corvette C8R, and this is also metal only, guys. So in Hot Wheels Premium, you get both the body and the chassis metal, and this one the tires will be of rubber. So it's all over a good package. Let me give you a 360 look again.